In today's video, I will walk you through how to make ElevenLabs sing. If you've used ElevenLabs before, you're probably familiar with generating speech by entering a normal text prompt. To make the AI sing instead, you'll follow a very similar process, but instead of entering regular sentences, you'll enter the lyrics of the song you want the AI to perform. The lyrics become the content that the AI will use when generating the audio. After preparing your lyrics, the next step is to select Model V3. This is the model that includes support for singing. Using the correct model is important because it allows the AI to recognize special singing instructions that aren't available in earlier versions. Once you've selected Model V3, you'll need to add the sing tag to your text. This tag tells the AI that the lyrics shouldn't be read like normal speech. Instead, it instructs the model to generate the text as singing. Simply include the sing tag along with your lyrics, so the AI knows how you want the output to be delivered. After you've entered your lyrics and included the sing tag, take a moment to review everything to make sure your text is exactly how you want it. Once you're satisfied with the prompt, you're ready to generate the audio. Click the Generate button and allow ElevenLabs a moment to process your request. After the generation finishes, your audio will be ready to listen to. Instead of hearing the lyrics spoken normally, you'll hear them performed as a sung vocal using the settings you've provided. If you'd like to create something different, simply replace the lyrics with another song and generate the audio again. You can continue experimenting with different lyrics while keeping the same process. Just make sure you're still using Model V3 and including the sing tag so the AI continues producing singing instead of standard speech. The process stays simple every time. Enter your song lyrics, select Model V3, add the sing tag, and generate the audio. Those are the only changes needed to turn regular text generation into a singing performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more ElevenLabs tutorials and helpful guides.